Did you try trading crypto but lost money? Would you like to know when to buy and sell in the crypto market? Looking for the next 50 times or 100 times crypto investment? Would you like to receive winning crypto trading signals instantly? Do you want to network with other winning traders? Join the Crypto Millionaire Fastlane VIP trading group today. Go to cryptomillion.co to join now.
Welcome to knockoutcrypto.com, guys. Thank you for following the channel. Today's video is the FILCOIN price prediction. This coin is getting a lot of attention right now due to a Coinbase Pro listing, which usually means a Coinbase app listing soon once they get significant liquidity on the Coinbase Pro application. So FILCOIN is a well-known coin. It's the largest of the storage-based cryptos. It is the largest market cap of the storage-based cryptos. So FILCOIN is not new to most people. So I'm just going to give you a brief overview, and then we're going to get into the price prediction, and I'll let you know what I think at the end. So FILCOIN is a decentralized storage network designed to store humanity's most important information. Just to give you an idea of what FILCOIN's vision is, you can use FILCOIN to store and retrieve data, a powerful and dynamic distributed cloud storage network for your data. The FILCOIN mainnet allows you to mine FILCOIN. You can also build on Web3, apps, dApps, and more, a groundbreaking storage network with the power of built-in incentives. You can find all of that at the FILCOIN.io website. Now, currently on CoinMarketCap, FILCOIN is currently $30.55. It's ranked 20th on CoinMarketCap, so it's a coin that's in the top 20 already. The market cap is $1.3 billion. Total volume is $230 million. And circulating supply is 44 million tokens. But the max supply is 2 billion tokens. So it's already well known. It's in the top 20. Has over $1 billion market cap. As you can see, the price has really been going up for the last 3 months. From October 23rd, it was $21. And then it's been shooting up recently to $33. So it's definitely been going up. All-time high for FILCOIN with $131.86 October 15, 2020. All-time low $1.83 August 26, 2019. So, what makes FILCOIN unique? Well, FILCOIN aims to store data in a decentralized manner, unlike cloud storage companies like Amazon Web Services or Cloudflare, which are prone to the problems of centralization. The FILCOIN leverages its decentralized nature to protect the integrity of a data's location, make it easily retrievable and hard to censor. Decentralized storage systems like FILCOIN allow people to be their own custodians of their data, as well as make the web more accessible to people worldwide. Since participating in the FILCOIN network by mining and storing is directly related to winning more block rewards, FILCOIN incentive participants to act honestly and store as much data as possible. So obviously the big news is this is getting added to Coinbase Pro, right? FILCOIN is launching on Coinbase Pro. They announced this December 7th. Starting today, Monday, December 7th, transfers of FIL into your Coinbase Pro account ahead of trading. Support for FIL will be available in all Coinbase supported jurisdictions. Trading will begin on or after 9 a.m. Pacific time, Wednesday, December 9th, if liquidity conditions are met. One of the most common requests we receive from customers is to be able to trade more assets on our platform. Per the terms of our listing process, we anticipate supporting more assets that meet our standards over time. More recently, we have added trading support for NuCypher, Wrap Bitcoin, Balancer, Ren, Uniswap, Yearn Finance, Loopring, Yuma, Celo, Numeraire, Band, Compound, Maker, Amifigo, along with supporting additional European and UK order books. Coinbase continues to explore support for new digital assets. Starting immediately, we will begin accepting import and transfer of the FIL to Coinbase Pro. Trading will begin on or after 9 a.m. Pacific time, Wednesday, December 9th, if liquidity conditions are met. Once sufficient supply of FIL is established on the platform, trading on our FIL USD, FIL BTC, FIL Euro, and FIL key order books were launched in 3 phases: post only, limit only, and full trading. If at any point one of the new order books does not meet our assessment for a healthy and orderly market, we may keep the book in one state for a longer period of time or suspend trading as per our trading rules. We will publish tweets from our Coinbase Pro Twitter account as each order book moves through the phases. FILCOIN is the cryptocurrency that powers the FILCOIN network, a decentralized peer-to-peer file storage network that aims to let anyone store, retrieve, and host digital information. FILCOINs are used as payments for these services and as an economic incentive to ensure files are stored reliably over time. Please note that FIL is not available yet on our Coinbase.com or via our consumer mobile apps. We will make a separate announcement if and when this support is added. You can sign up for a Coinbase Pro account here to start trading. For more information on trading FIL on Coinbase Pro, visit our support page. So that's the big news there. FILCOIN has about 41K followers on Twitter. They have already passed 1 exabyte of storage capacity. So storage in DeFi is totally different. So it's going to be interesting to see how storage grows. My price prediction, or the price prediction I'm going to use, one of them is going to be from digitalcoinprice.com. So the current price, like we said, the current price of FILCOIN is $30.51. Let's see if that's true. $30.53 is the current price. Price prediction will be, okay, for the end of the month, we are saying by the end of 2020, December 2020, they're saying $72.31. I do not agree with that. I believe FILCOIN is going to be at the most $33.55 by the end of this month. Now, I know people are expecting, if it gets a Coinbase listing, to shoot up even higher, but I don't think that's going to be the case for FILCOIN. I think FILCOIN, it's not a DeFi coin, but I don't think it's going to have as much hype as some of the other coins that have came on, like Balancer, Ren, Yuma, any of the other coins that have came, OMG, any of the other coins that have came on. I don't think FILCOIN is going to have that much hype like that. So it's at $33.55. I think FILCOIN will end the year at $33.55, and I think next year it will double. I think we'll see FILCOIN around $65, $66 next year, December 2021. Once again, I think FILCOIN will be $66.55 December 2021. Currently, I think it'll be $33 once it gets on. If it gets on Coinbase, I think that's where it's going to end up. And then for the next 10 days, this is where I see FILCOIN going for the next 10 days. I like these price ranges here at Wallet Investors. So $30.11, $29 for the next few days after that. Back to $30 on December 15th all the way to December 19th. And then as we head toward Christmas, $31 December 23rd. I like that prediction, and that's what I'm going to stick with. Now, when I look at the chart, I personally at this time look at the chart, and so I have the 13-day EMA and the 34-day EMA. The 13-period EMA, I'm sorry, and the 34-period EMA. And I feel like looking at the chart, it looks like it's oversold. So the RSI is high. The RSI is like 97. The RSI is really high, right? It looks like it's the RSI is 98, 97. So that means it's overbought, right? So that means I think it's coming down. Also, when the 13 rises above the 34, that usually means that it's hot right now and it's overbought. So I would wait for this 13 to dip below the 34 before I would buy in again. So for me, I would be out of this trade. I wouldn't jump in right now on FILCOIN. Okay, just to let you know what I'm thinking and what my moves will be right now is I'm not going to jump into FILCOIN. Also, there's a 2 million supply as well with FILCOIN. So if they release more supply in the future, they only have 44 million released now. If they release more in the future, that could also, cause the price to go down. So I'm staying away from it for right now. And I will be staying away from FILCOIN right now for a little bit. But I think the Coinbase news will pump it somewhat. So like I said, my price prediction is $33.55 by the end of 2020. By the end of 2021, I'm thinking $66.99 for the end of 2021. All right, guys, thank you for following Knockout Crypto and CryptoMillion.co. Go to CryptoMillion.co to join our VIP trading group to get inside trades. We just dropped some trades that really made our members 100% profit. So check out CryptoMillion.co trading group, okay? Thank you guys for following the channel.
Did you try trading crypto but lost money? Would you like to know when to buy and sell in the crypto market? Looking for the next 50 times or 100 times crypto investment? Would you like to receive winning crypto trading signals instantly? Do you want to network with other winning traders? Join the Crypto Millionaire Fastlane VIP trading group today. Go to cryptomillion.co to join now.